Alright guys, it's a nice bright Wednesday here. Sean's got all the cab and 600 inside. We're going to be painting the cab tomorrow night, and today what we're going to do right now is we're going to get this texture spray on the cab. It's all sanded, we always sand it. There's texture spray on there. As you can see, it takes a bit to mask it. Probably spend a good hour and a half to mask it, but you have to, or else the texture spray comes through and lands everywhere. It's just a mess. So customers always wonder where time goes. This is where time goes. It's an hour and a half just in masking alone, just so we can spray a floor for an hour or two. Well, probably an hour. And that's it. And he's got the doors in there right now. He's just grabbing the doors. He's going to get those in 600. And like I say, tomorrow night I'll do some filming, or tomorrow day, whatever. We're going to start spraying inside here, try and get all the cab painted inside. It's two-toned, white and black. So the top of the dash is black. This is all white. Steps for your step are black. So we're going to try and get that done. The goal is to get the whole interior done for this week. Then next week, mask it all off. Then we're going to paint the firewall, the green that she's picked out for that. Then, basically, we're waiting on an engine. We'll get the engine and tranny in there. We get the engine and tranny in. Then we start assembling the front sheet metal. But again, we got to paint edges and stuff like that. You got to have the fenders, all the edges in behind. You can't get to after. You got to paint now. You just do. But we're on the roll on this truck now. So, like when I say edges, like you see that brace down there that's still gray? That's got to be painted now, because you can't get to it when it's bolted together. But we're on a roll now. Things are coming together good. It's truck week. We got 7 trucks in and 2 cars here. That's it. And the little 62 C10 here. I'm working on the driver's side door. I just cut the lower patch out of it. And I'm going to make a patch for that and put it in. Sean has started stripping the firewall. I removed the windshield. I took all the dash apart yesterday. Got all the dash gutted. Leave the column in it for now. It's easy to steer with the column in. But we're getting that ready. I have to get in here after I texture spray over there today. And I have 4 little holes I just have to weld up here. That was where a gun rack was. These holes we leave. This is for the cardboard that covers the tank. The owner's leaving the tank back there. So we leave them in. So, once you get all this prepped and in primer, the cab, then what we'll do is we'll lift the cab off. The owner wants us to pressure wash the frame the best possible, clean it up really nice, and then just give it a rattle can paint job, or spray some trim cloud out of the gun, whatever's quicker and easier. Just make it look clean, right? And then we're going to put a disc brake conversion kit on for him, and there's the screwdriver I've been looking for forever. I'll put it in here with all the other tools that I've been looking for forever. So that's what's going on there. And that's what's happening. Mike's got the Model A up and running and almost done. The only thing that went south with the Model A is the brake light switch doesn't work, so I had to order one. So a brake light switch is like a week out. But other than that, if you're watching Kelly, your car drove down the road twice, shifted through the gears, steered fine for 1930, that is. Ran like a dream. We've put exhaust on it. We've got the headlights working. We've got the brake lights. We've got everything working. The brake lights just don't work unless we bypass the switch. So anyway, like I said, had to order one. So that'll be here next week. We'll put the switch in, and Kelly, that car is yours. Thank God. You can have it and go have some fun. Perfect timing. Okay, I'll turn the camera back on once I get this sprayed and let you see how the old Chevy turns out here. Okay. Oh, and here I'll show you the 62 door. May as well. Here's the door for the 62. So like I say, I cut the lower piece off, cleaned it up, texture spray it. This was rotten. I put a new piece in, and there a new piece. Always gone in the corners, right? Typical. Okay, let's take a look and see how this all turned out. Doesn't that look good? And now we're just going to put it on our bake oven. That's right, we have a bake oven. It's called the Sun. We're going to leave it sit out here in the sun for a good hour while I go on to something else at the end of the day here. It's 4 o'clock right now, but we're going to keep on going till at least 6 if we can. And Sean's working away, like I say, on them doors, getting them all ready to go. Perfect. Perfect. And there you can see the Model A. The Model A is outside. Mike got the headlight bar on it. He's got the headlights on. The headlights are working. The high beams are working. The horn would work, but the horn's garbage. But there is power going to it, so if the owner wants to buy a new horn, go ahead, put a horn on it. Like I say, we're just waiting on a brake light switch. because the brake light does work, the tail light. So we'll wait for the brake light switch, and that way there the owner can actually, if he wanted to, he could drive it home from here. He could just take it, jump in, and drive it away. Okay, you can see the bar is wide open because the Model A is over there. She's out of the shop. That's right, I took her out of here. She's out. She's out for now. So it's time to get in here and get cleaning up the bar. Okay, well, I'm going to set the camera down for now, do a little bit of paperwork, and then get back to work. Okay, we got her all unmasked here. There's how she looks. Now, this truck has got multiple colors, so it takes way longer when you got that. So now we have to bring it in the shop, throw some mask in here, because we got to base the top of the dash black. And we got to base the steps black. Then we got to let it dry up, which doesn't take long, half hour. And then we got to mask that up. Then we got to do the inside white, and then unmask it, and then do your clear coat. And then on the doors, the outside of the truck is going green. So because it's going green, you can see Sean spraying the lip. Because it's going green, so the inside of the doors are white. All right, you understand me? You follow through, people. And then the lip that folds over, the door skin lip. Now some people would just shoot that white and say who cares, but it should be green because that follows through because it's part of the body on the outside. So again, you see all the time masking, spraying it. Yeah, and then what we'll do is when we go to, we'll leave it dry up, then we'll mask off the green, unmask this, paint the white, then unmask the green, then clear coat it all. There's a bit of work involved here. If it was all one color, easy peasy, just spray it, but it ain't. So it's kind of, to do the interior, we're almost doing 3 colors today, which pretty much you are. So yeah, so there we go. Okay, we're starting the night. We're throwing the base down on the dash. It looks shiny, but it'll dry flat. So there's the first coat of base on there. And we got to give it, we'll give it 3 coats. We always do. If it covers in 2, we'll give it 3. Then we'll leave it sit up for a good half hour. Then mask it off. Then we'll come in and we'll spray all the white. Then we'll unmask that, like I said. And we'll unmask, we'll unmask that, and then we'll do the clear at the end. That's what's going on. Okay, guys, here we are. I think it's like 10:30 on a Thursday night. We got the Indy Ivory white on, and now you see what I mean about the dash. I unmask it and do it. Beautiful job. Gotta be careful at nighttime around here. Lots of bugs flying around this time of year. They try and come in. We had one little guy land somewhere up on the dash, but we're not worried because we can just hit it with the polisher and he'll come out. Because he landed in the clear, thank God. Steps we have to do still, but we didn't do them now because we got to step up in there, right? So there you go. Doesn't that look nice? And then there's the doors, and now you see what I mean about the green. There's the green she's going. It almost looks gray, and then it goes green. So that's the green. See how we spray it? And we spray all the way, even up in here, where everything goes, all your windows. We spray all of it. You have to do it all. Beautiful. So now tomorrow we still got to do all the small bits. We got to do the ashtray, the glove box door, the hinges, all sorts of stuff like that. But we will get it all tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to shut this camera off for now, and I will see you on Friday. Okay guys, here's the 55 that we sprayed last night, all unmasked. Now we got to do the steps still. We never did those last night just because she wants to put a nice texture spray on there black because she'll be stepping on it. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow. But there it is, all painted up and unmasked. Doesn't that look beautiful? Somebody asked what color it was. It's Indy Ivory, factory color. Well, there's different whites. There's Bombay white, there's Indy Ivory, there's all sorts. But we went the Indy Ivory. You know, it's a nice off-white. So that's what happened there. Of course, we painted a bunch of, you know, the doors got all painted there in the room. But that's about it for today on this Friday. We won't go in the booth right now because Sean's painting a steering column and parts in there black. So we'll stay out of there, keep the flies out. And that's about it. Don't know what else to tell you. Sunday Fun Day's coming up around the corner here. I got a surprise for you. You want to know what the surprise is? You're all about to find out what engine I'm going to pick up for the leftover coupe. So you better stay tuned. We're going to go get the engine for the leftover coupe. So that's going to be Sunday fun day. I don't think we're going to be doing much more than that. It's going to be in the 30s. And I'm just going to enjoy the weekend. But I got to travel down to get this engine. So that'll take a little time. But we'll catch you then. And thanks to we had a big winner there. Now I forget who won. Anyway, congratulations on the big win. And maybe we'll do one in May. Maybe we won't. We'll see if my wife decides to take more of my stuff. Catch you later.